Hi, welcome to another Care & Co tutorial. In this video, we're showing you how to make the cutest beadable headband. You can customize your craft by using different sizes and colors. The options are endless with acrylic beads. Plus, all the supplies you need to make your own can be found on our website, including ready-made kits. Remember to make sure you hit that subscribe button to be the first to see more videos, tutorials, and crafting inspiration from Care & Co. Let's get started. To make a beadable headband, you will need one beadable wire headband, approximately 30 acrylic beads, round-ended pliers or one-step loop pliers. We will be using the one-step loop pliers for this tutorial. Making a beadable headband is easy. Using your pliers, bend a small loop on one end of your wire headband. This will keep your beads from falling off as you slide them on. Slide your acrylic beads on the headband in your preferred order. Keep in mind that the number of beads you use will vary depending on the sizes you choose. Using your pliers again, bend the remaining end of the headband to make a small loop. Your little one will love their brand new headband. Change up the colors and beads and sizes to make even more unique creations. Make sure you check out more of our videos and tutorials on our YouTube channel. Happy crafting!